Welcome. In this video I will show you how to adjust brightness, contrast and sharpness on Xiaomi F Pro TV. First of all, we have to do this individually for each input. I think it might be different on some older Xiaomi TVs, but on this particular device we're gonna have to connect an external device to our for example HDMI input or any other input we have on our TV. And after that, after we do that, we're gonna have to go to settings, select inputs, select display and audio in settings, and then go to picture settings. Select your HDMI which you have a device connected to, and after that, once the sidebar appears on your screen, you'll be able to change the contrast by selecting this slider and moving it to either to the left to decrease the contrast level or to the right to increase it. We can also change the brightness, and if you want to find sharpness, it's right below here. And so that's basically how you do it. And once you leave this menu, the changes will be applied immediately. And so that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.